Right. This is how, somebody's asked me how to I do the weave. Well, see with a feather board, this is the way I do it with a feather board. Silly wee jigs, but I keep telling you jigs make life easier. Right. That's a jig, and I cut that there, and I make that there with just scrap wood, and I make it 8 inches. And what I do is, you've that there, but the first thing you do is, this is your template for the weave, right? That's your weave template. And what you do, you mark it, and you keep marking all the way along the fence there, right? Then you follow behind with the mark there, and do your mark like that there, right? Okay, that there, and then that gives you your weave. Now, the reason I've just put this on here temporary to show you, like X-ray eyes, right? Kid on, that's, you can see that it's no there, it's like a see-through bit of wood. I'll take that off once I've done this, right? It's to let you see, that's the top of the reel the other side basically, right? Imagine, right? And that's how you get there, and then you know you can't go wrong, look. You see, so imagine the other side there, you do that, you see? And that's it, right? And you want a silly bit of wood and use it all the time. What your measurements, that's the top of the reel. Then what you do is, you get your magic pencil out, right? And then what you start to do is this here, right? It's roughly, approximately, right? And you get there, and you can look at that. Now, right? And then you just like that there, right? Then you get into that there, and then you see there, and see there. Right? Then you do the same there. Don't worry if it's half an inch short or long, because with the type of fence it is, it all marries in. I haven't done that bit there. I was just doing this bit to show you, right? Because I've marked there, but I haven't put the cross down there, the 8-inch depth. So that's you get that there, right? Now, the next thing is getting the jigsaw. And this is a 1001 piece jigsaw, by the way, right? Yet again, I keep telling you, use the proper tools, you can't go wrong, okay? Now, Greg's told me this is a fully charged battery. Let's look and see. Because sometimes, oh, he's right for a change. And he also said that that's a new blade. Now, I'll come within milliseconds whether it's a new blade, where you can aim here if it's in rare or no, right? Right? So then what we do is, we sand that, so we do. There you hold on, I'll get it. Just keep going that way, Greg. Right. The invisible commentators here today. Brand new sandpaper too every time. But please have, don't laugh. how you do the magic Wullie Hogg weave. Now look at that. Now you imagine that all the way down there. All the way. Right? Will it not look, my favourite word is you're well aware is, it'll look beautiful. So there you go. That's the way we do the weave, and it's as simple as that. So if you can do it, send me, tell me today do. Go and have a crack at it yourself and send me photos or videos of your finished product. And what I'll maybe do later on today is, that's going downhill, the grade get into that, I'll show you how I do that, right? It's as simple as that. So catch you all later, keep sharing, keep learning, spread the word, and always smile because it's a Friday. See you all later folks.